Hi everyone, welcome back to Lens of Saika. So we are here at the Nathan Phillips Square in Toronto for the Taste of India Festival.
Taste of India Food Festival is the largest food festival that happens in North America. Every year, there are multiple food vendors representing the Indian food cuisine and proving that Indian food is more than just butter chicken and samosa.
They have like monuments here, like replicas of monuments, which looks very cool.
So they have the Golden Temple, Gateway of India, Taj Mahal.
Yeah, this is like, they even have the new one. Nice. Alright, so do you want to go to the stage area or get something to eat? I think I want to eat right now, so let's check that out. Yeah, I feel like they have a lot of new stalls because we did come here once before.
Yeah.
But a lot of these stalls I'm not familiar with, so I'm really excited. Let's go.
Yes, these all sell ice cream. We selling hot. Thank you. India ice cream. Thank you.
Such a cute cotton candy. Look at that. She's so fast, right? Yeah. More shop-like stuff on this side. Yeah, they have like something for everyone.
These installations and decor also look so beautiful. Okay, time to eat. Our first stop is Momo to go.
Every Delhi wala is gonna understand your love for momos. I really like their packaging also. It's so cute, right? So we've tried the makhani and malai momos in the past, the gravy ones, but this time I'm trying kurkure momos. Let's see. Yeah, let's see how they are.
Next stop is Burger Wala.
How long? 5 minutes. Wow, this looks really good for $5, right? So this is the Chipotle burger, and this was for $5 only. And then momos we showed you, these were kurkure momos for $15. So yeah, let's say something. Yeah, and this was, the pop was for $2, but you'll get them at like a lot of stalls. Nice, I like it. Okay, I can't wait to taste that. Like, we also asked them to give us some like chutney on the side. So the spicy one and the mild one, I think. Okay, first off, it looks really nice, and the size is also pretty big, right? It's really nice and crispy. I feel I've been craving kurkure momos for such a long time, and this one did not disappoint. How is the spice level? Yeah, it's really good. There's some chaat masala on it, so if you didn't take any chutneys, it's still good enough. But with chutneys, depending on how much you like, you can just dip it as well, right? So it's really good. So Kulfi, after spicy momos, an emergency hot also, so I think that's I want to have one too. Let me taste it first. I don't know how it is. Okay. I think one is good for now because it's like a dessert thing, right? Once we have more food, we'll get another one. The more I have it, the better it gets. Yeah.
With 50 plus food vendors, you're sure to get food from the north of India, whether it's Punjab, Delhi, or as you move down to Mumbai and Chennai, Kerala, and even the Chai Wala of London.
It is very hot, so these fans are really helping us. Yeah, and there's some clouds in front of the sun right now, so we can record this. Yeah, it's like very difficult. We're like sweating. So you have to bring a hair tie or a fan. Umbrella, fan, something to help you. Cap maybe. We forgot, but that would have been really helpful. Yeah. But it's fun nonetheless. We still are enjoying and still excited to have more food.
Yeah, and they're having like some music and performance throughout the day. So
Yeah.
you never get bored even for a second.
Yeah.
We say it, I, day, la movie, Thank you.
So this was very cool. We played the spin a wheel at Eaton's.
Oh, nice.
And then got free drinks.
Yeah, we almost weren't gonna play, but we were like, might as well.
Yeah. So I got mango lassi and she got
Sugarcane juice.
So basically on their app, they gave us like a coupon code and we just had to show that coupon code to the vendors and we got our free mango lassi. And then we went to this stall to get the sugarcane juice. Same process, show them the QR code and you'll get it.
and they are very young and very needed for the heat.
Yeah, plus given how hot it is, we have our fans and we have our cold drinks. So I think that's the best combo, right? Shout out BTS.
We played another spinner wheel from MTR Products and did win a tote bag.
Summers in Toronto are just so much fun.
Yeah,
There's so many events happening.
Something's always happening somewhere.
Yeah. And this event is also happening tomorrow. So if you
Yeah.
didn't get a chance to go on the Saturday, you do have Sunday.
Yeah, and it happens every year also. So if you didn't get a chance to go this year,
Do check it
check it
out,
out
yeah.
next year because it's really fun.
It did get quite hot, so we decided to take a break at the Eaton Center before returning back.
Right, so we just had the coolest experience ever. We were just walking in the crowd and then
Yeah.
I heard like Sakshi and then we heard...
I heard Let's of Saika and I was like, who is that? And they were like, these three really amazing girls. And they said they follow us on YouTube, watch our videos.
Yeah, and they said something really nice things about us that, okay, surely you guys will come up soon.
Yeah.
So that was like really amazing. So
I
shout
know.
out to you guys. Thank you so much for this moment. It made our day.
And we're some amazing people.
That's it. Nothing can top this.
I know. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, if you guys see us in public, do say hi to us. And we will try our best. If we hear you, we will reply and we will come and talk to you.
Yeah, it was like a really amazing moment. One for the book.
Yeah.
As the day passed, it started getting more crowded and there were more people. Everybody was so excited to try new foods.
So this is paneer kati roll.
And it was for $12. You got 2 pieces. And we paid in cash. So it was exactly $10. Let's have a taste. Sir. It has a green pickle. The typical like Bombay style one. Very nice. We have Olivia Chow here as well.
In the night, the area looked even brighter. There were more people. The monuments were shining. And so for the last food of the night, we decided to go for puchka.
We're having dahi puri and this was for $9.
After 10 p.m., it was party time. The entire Nathan Phillips Square was turned into a dance floor with some amazing Bollywood bangers.
So we had an amazing time here and now it's time to go home. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
So you don't miss out on more videos like this.
Until then,
Bye.